Running subscriptions but worried Stripe might shut you down? Recurring billing is one of the most common reasons accounts get flagged. This quick check shows you how Stripe treats recurring or continuity based models. Even if your service is legitimate, recurring payments are often flagged as high risk, which is why so many creators experience unexpected holds. It is an easy way to see how your revenue could be at risk. Easy Pay Direct is built for businesses that run on recurring revenue. They underwrite your account upfront and give you tools like recurring billing and decline recovery to keep payments flowing. You also get extras like hosted checkout, making it simple for clients to sign up and continue paying without interruptions. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description. Check it out today if recurring revenue is important for your business. With Easy Pay Direct, you can manage recurring billing confidently, knowing your payments won't get frozen unexpectedly. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started.